11th of August 2024. Here's Laisvės prospektas 43. Laisvės 61 and 95 here in Karoliniškės, Vilnius, Lithuania. Let's try to rush here. This was built in 1973. So the oldest original.
Yeah, siellä on LF0 and 07502.
The oldest original this time.
Yeah.
In Vilnius.
Yeah.
That's the export versus 120 grams. Do you think there could be earlier than that here? Somewhere?
Yeah, maybe.
Late 1960s.
Yeah, maybe not. At the earlier 70s, at least.
Yeah. We have to find it.
Yeah.
Hopefully, maybe next time still something.
Yeah.
I hope not everything is modernized.
Yeah, of course.
But too bad the doors are not the wooden doors.
Yeah. Inspected kiva, maintained by valtioslifttai.
The doors are a bit aggressive here.
Yeah.